Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm super excited because we're opening up Confetti collection. And seriously, this box is so heavy this month. I am so excited to see what's inside. I feel like it's been a while since I opened this on our channel. So Confetti collection is a bi-monthly subscription, so it's sent every other month and it costs $19.99. I will link them down below. And inside this box, you get like stationery, giftables, and other fun novelties, so it's always so cute. I seriously can't believe how heavy it is. When I was just like taking a thumbnail before I started this video, I was like struggling. Like, I'm a weakling though, so yeah, let's get this open. I think that's all the information we need, but before we do so, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel, so if you love subscription boxes as much as I do, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 10,000 subscribers, so as a big thank you, I'm hosting a big giveaway. If you guys have not yet seen my giveaway video or entered the giveaway, I will link that in like a thumbnail or card at the end of this one, so when you're done watching this, you can just click that and go and learn more. So yeah, let's get this heavy box open. And FYI, they were a 2019 award winner for US Subscription Box Awards, so props to them. So not much of a sneak peek. It is very well wrapped with some bubble wrap and tissue. So the insides are wrapped up in two separate bags. Let's start with this one because it has a little card. So, Confetti collection, late summer picnic. Cook your favorite meals to celebrate the ones you love. Use the recipe book and meal planners to help organize your busy weeks. So that is the theme. So right on top, straws with toppers, six each of 2 designs. Okay. Presentation, so cute. Oh my god, look at it. They're paper straws and they're decorated with little flowers on top. Let me show you guys one. This is so cute and I love that they're paper too. Oh my god, this makes me want to have like a little party, but I will probably just have a nice little cocktail by myself with these. Maybe take a little selfie with them. How cute! And then, oh, dropping everything. And then there is purple as well. Adorable. And then we have some plates. Oh my god, they're different sizes and they are beautiful. How cute. So this is, well, they're all by C.R. Gibson, and this is 8 coated luncheon/dessert plates. I love how they look. Oh my god, these are so pretty. And these are 8 coated dinner plates. The colors and the design, I just love so much. And then we have even more. So 8 additional coated dinner plates. Oh my god, I have the cutest picnic ever. And there's matching napkins. I love this design. This makes me so happy. Oh, and the design name is Tunisian Sunset, or is it Tunisian Sunset? These are 16 3-ply guest/dinner napkins. These are so pretty. Okay, coronavirus, you gotta get away so I can have a little picnic party. I was just like, who am I gonna invite? I don't know. Figure you guys can come over. Wanna come over? And now let's go to the next part, and this is what contains something super heavy. I don't know what this is. Oh, it looks like this might be like a tote bag. Oh, my type of bag. This can hold like a bottle of wine. How cute. I love this. So, yep, wine tote by C.R. Gibson. This is awesome. And I love that it's not just one of those paper ones that you kind of use once, and, or I mean maybe more than once if you don't ruin it right away. This is totally reusable, and I will definitely get some use out of this. Ooh, this has some weight to it, but I think the last thing in here, no, maybe this is what's heaviest. But this is awesome. So this is a weekly meal planner. And it has like a day of the week for everything, and there's a big magnet on the back so you can put this on your fridge. What a great idea. So meal planner pad, this is 50 sheets, and this is the only item that has the pricing listed on it. This is $11.95, which is more than half of the price of the box, so you definitely get your value's worth. But nice. So it has a farmhouse theme, it says. This is such a good idea. The magnet on the back is genius. I love that you can put this on your fridge. I definitely want to be better. I'm starting to cook more, so this will definitely help, and I think this is awesome. I feel like everyone could use that. And then the last thing is a binder. This is the Leatherette Recipe Organizer. Nice. Tie clasp envelope, 9 tab dividers, and 24 recipe cards. This is what the front looks like. Oh, this is the price on it too, $29.95. So definitely more than what I paid for the box. This was sent to me free for review, but still, oh my god, cool. When you open it up, it has all this information on there. So it talks about, so this is a tips and techniques culinary reference guide. So it tells you storage tips, like how long things last in the freezer as well as the pantry. Like, I know I'm like considered an adult, or I am an adult, but like I still have so much to learn about stuff like this. So this will be super useful. And then it gives you some freshness tips, abbreviations, oven temperatures, common herbs for kitchen gardens, recipe terms like baste, blanch, cube, dash, deglaze, keeps going on and on. That is so useful. And then they have these pages for recipes. So there's a recipe card, and it says recipe on top, and then you list the ingredients. And this is so useful. There's so many pages in here, and you can add more if you'd like. And then in the back, there's these separate folders. I feel like I'm not showing you guys that well. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited to look at it myself. So the first one says Appetizers. So you can put these recipe cards like in the different folders. And then it says soups and salads, breads, main dishes, seafood, pastas, side dishes, desserts, beverages. This is so nice. Oh, and there's more information and tips and stuff on the back. So let's look at that. So it'll give you volume conversions. That's super helpful, like liquid equivalents, like 2 tablespoons is 1 ounce. Dry equivalents, and then recipe calls for substitution. So if you need like 1 teaspoon of baking powder, for example, it tells you can use instead half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, or 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and it goes through like so much. Like if you need an egg but you're out, so that is super convenient. Like if you need sour cream but you're out of it, it says you can use some plain yogurt. Need molasses, use 1 cup of honey. like for example, like lemon juice, use half a teaspoon of vinegar. This is so awesome. I love this. Seriously, I think anyone could really take advantage of this. Oh my god, look, in the back there's like this little folder too. You see how it ties on top, so you can put stuff in there as well. I can't wait to start using this. This is so awesome. You guys, this might be my favorite confetti collection ever by far. I feel like we got so much stuff in here and it's so useful. Like we got the cute like kitchen stuff, like the plates and the straws. Sorry, I'm looking down because I was putting everything back in that big box. And now we got all this stuff for like recipes and stuff like that. Oh my god. And this I'll have forever. I love it. So yeah, I think this was so great. If you guys are interested in subscribing, I guess $19.99. I believe you do pay for shipping. Let me double check. But even if you do, I think it's totally worth it. Oh, not bad at all. The shipping and handling is a flat rate of $5 for each box. I ship things often, and I know that box was super heavy. They probably paid like at least $15 in shipping, so that's not bad. I love that it's a flat rate. So it's $19.99, or if you include shipping, it's like $24.99. I know a lot of people hate like shipping; they'd rather have it just like included in the price. But either way, I think it is so worth it, and such a great box. And I'm so happy I received it. I think the last time I got it was like April or something. So I'm so glad it's back in my life. Thank you, Confetti Collection, for sending this my way. I love it so much. I would love to hear your thoughts down below, and thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. And thank you to my channel members so much. Your support means everything to me. If you guys are interested in channel membership, I will leave a link down below where you can learn more and hear all the perks. Like one perk is that we do members only live streams. They have giveaways, so if you love giveaways, I know I have a huge one going on right now, but with live streams we get to chat, it's more intimate, and you're way more likely to win a prize. But if you can't join, I totally understand, it's hard times. Just you being here and watching this video helps so much, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate all of you. I love you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!